Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous April sub box from Simply Gilded. The theme is first class, so it's travel related, and it has beautiful rose gold accents, and the color scheme is everything. I love this mauve colors, this rose kind of rose gold, and the pinks. And then in the back it has this nice chocolate, beautiful chocolate color that looks beautiful with the rose gold, and all these travel stamps. And this is volume 30. Now, if you are not a subscriber yet and you're looking at the website, the box is currently sold out. However, make sure to check out Irene's Instagram account, and she will be announcing any possible restocks on her Insta stories or on their Instagram accounts. So if you'd like to get your box, you may still have a chance next week. Now, if you are already a subscriber, you will be receiving a shipping confirmation either by the end of this week or early next week. And since I do customer service for the box, I received mine early so I can share it with you guys. Now I will take everything out and I will share everything that is included, including the 5mm add-on, which is an extra, but I will not be sharing the mystery item because I don't want to ruin anybody's surprise. Now let me get everything out of this, which is actually very substantial box, and I will be right back. And I'm back, guys, and again, I will not be revealing the mystery items, so no worries about that. But here is the little menu card that comes with your box and shows everything that is included, which is a full journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit, seals, icons, date dots, B6 stitch binding notebook, engraved rose gold pen, vegan pearl sticker book pouch, sakura microperm pen, travel scissors, and mystery item. So let me start first of all by that beautiful journaling card, which is absolutely stunning as always, because Irene has she has such an eye for design, and just the color combination. I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous. I just in love with this. Again, this will definitely be part of some sort of setups at some time, because I really would love to do some travel related planner, and this color scheme is everything, and it's gorgeous. Again, rose gold foiling, absolutely stunning. And then I wanted to share the B6 notebook, because you know the pattern and the design, it's so complementary. You know, like you have the beautiful white background for this one, and then you have this beautiful chocolate with the rose gold and all the mauve and kind of like the new tones, and the inside is dotted. And again, this is a stitch notebook, and the design continues in the back. And again, if you don't have a traveler notebook, you can use it for notes, you can use it for gratitude journal. You don't have to have a traveler notebook at all to use this. So, but this is gorgeous. And then I want to show you the sticker book. So this is she described it as pearl color, so it's definitely a pearlized kind of finish. I would say I'm trying to think of the color. It's not copper. It's definitely a pearlized color, like a gray pearlized with brown undertones. I don't know. I'm having a hard time, describing it, but is a very substantial. It comes with a hard closure. Now this closure is a little stiffer, so you're gonna have a little hard time in the beginning to open and close it, but it will, loosen up with use. And then we have a rose gold zipper here, so you can store all your goodies. It's huge. And then we have all these pages, and so this will fit the larger size sticker. So Irene's regular sticker books, or if you have other companies that you use their stickers, they will fit in here, and I'll show you after I reveal the stickers. And then there's a little pouch here in the back for additional storage. And so this is beautiful. Now, if somebody, I know that I'm not the only one who loves to be creative. This is bigger than a B6. So I am thinking, if you want to turn this into a planner, I mean, you could definitely do that, because you can just easily remove these two grommets here and then add some elastics. So you can definitely do that. It's big enough to hold a B6 and even slightly bigger. So a B6 wide would also work well. And I'm always turning everything into a planner, basically. I mean, that's my problem. And then I want to show you one of my favorite items, which is the pen. I mean, I always love Irene's pen, but this one, look at the design. It's just this very crisp white with the rose gold, and then the design of the airplane silhouette with the little dots here. And let me see what they are. They're actually little stars, and there's some little hearts. It's just, sorry if that was out of focus, but this is gorgeous. And again, this is 0.5 millimeter. It's a black ink, gel ink, and refills are available on the website in blue if you should prefer blue, but this is one of my favorite items. This is just so beautiful. Then let me get to the stickers, because we're getting is always a lot of stickers. First, there are these seals, and the seals are in the rose gold with the color scheme that Irene, you know, this is kind of matching the blush baby. And then it says bon voyage, hola, bonjour, ciao, ciao. Why am I saying ciao with an accent? I don't know, since I'm Italian, but, and then I am assuming that is hello in Japanese, which for the right this second it escapes me. So apologies for that. But again, these are beautiful seals. You can use them in your planner, you can use them on gifts, you can use them in letters to your friends, etc. And then we have two of the little stickers here, sticker sheets. These are the new heart icons. These are basic foil. These are rose gold. So you get tons of icons that you can use in your planner, and they are beautifully foiled. And then this time she included, instead of the same basically icons, she included date covers. So you have date covers for the whole month, plus some icons in the bottom. Again, the rose gold foiling, and this time in this beautiful pink you know, background. And then we're getting to deluxe sticker sheet, which we are getting 3 sheets. And the first sheet as our kind of headers, as then has 5 full boxes. Let me actually double check. Yes, these are just washi strips, and we have some deco here. We have some flags, and it's just so beautiful. I mean, clearly, you know, this, we're going through a very difficult time. So to be reminded of all the beautiful places that we've either been or we would like to go, it's just, you know, kind of soothing to me, actually, because sometimes, you know, when you have to stay at home for a month at a time, it can get depressing. So remember, this is a good reminder of the beautiful places in the world that we will get to see again. So we have Paris, we have London, we have New York, and then in the second sheet, we have 2 sets of the days of the week. So you can do 2 full weeks of layouts. And then we have additionally another 1, 2, 3 boxes here. These are little headers, and then we have some checklists to celebrate and planning time, some more icons. So this, we have Kyoto here, or Kyoto, yes, it's Kyoto. And then we have just like you know, the look from your plane, from your little window from the plane. And then we have an additional sheet on which we have Agra, gorgeous, I've never been, and which is a full box. Then we have 4 half boxes, and then we have 1, 2, 3 of foiled checklist with a little bit more of the little deco. So that is a lot, and let me show you how they fit perfectly inside your book. So you can carry this book with you if you want to, or again, you can change it into a traveler notebook if you would like. And then here we go. They fit perfectly. They're perfectly stored. And actually, I needed this because I'm running out of room in my other sticker storage. So, and I just love how plush this is. This is very beautiful, soft, pliable vegan leather, and I just love it. It's very luxurious feeling. Now, next up on the list is the microperm pen, which is perfect for writing on your stickers. So I absolutely love this. I kept this in, Irene gave us one before, I think in December. And this is just perfect if you have any kind of like glossy stickers and you would like to write on them, because whenever I use anything else, they always smear, but this one will not smear. So this is just perfect. Then we have the travel scissors. These are so useful. I was actually probably going to have to fight over these with my daughter, but these come either in white or in black. So all you do is you remove them from the little cap, and then you're good to go. And they should be good for travel, so they should pass, TSA guidelines. So they should be perfect. You can take them anywhere. You can put them in your purse. They're not going to scratch anything. And I always need scissors. I don't know. There's always something that gets snagged, something that gets needs to be trimmed off. And then let's talk about the washi. So this month, if you're getting the main box, you're getting all these washi tapes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 washi tapes. So let's start with the 15 millimeter and the matching 10 millimeter, which are in this beautiful soft, kind of like it's a nude with a little peachy undertone, I would say. And let me try to open it so I can show you. And there is this lines going across it, and then the beautiful bows, the rose gold, and you have the matching design in the 10 millimeter. So this is just perfect. I'm sorry, I don't think my camera is doing it justice. There's too many lights going on, but it's absolutely stunning. Then we have another 15 millimeter, which is a travel related one, and the background is more of a classic pink, and then it has here we go. It has some continents on it, rose gold foiling. It's super pretty. I just love it. This will make a beautiful layout. And then we have another one of, and let me check. Yes, this is another 10 millimeter. I'm very bad with the kind of gauging the size of things. I don't know. It's like my eyes, I can't tell. I have to measure. Now, this is more of like, trying to describe the color. It's a maroon, I would say. Maroon color with rose gold, and there's the silhouette of the airplane jetting through the sky with the beautiful hearts and the stars behind it. And then you're also getting 2 of the perforated washi. One is in the soft mauve pink with the hearts and stars, and the other one is just stars on a rose gold background. Again, these are just, all you have to do is rip them. So basically these are excellent if you are using, for example, an Erin Condren planner. All you do is just pull, and they will rip out the exact size of the box of your Erin Condren boxes. So these are super useful, and I love using them. So again, these are all the ones you get with the box. Now, if you are, if you love 5 millimeter washi tapes like I do, because I have apparently 4 drawers of them, but I love the size. I just think it's so dainty, it's so pretty. I love to add, kind of double it up with a 10 millimeter or a 15 millimeter, pair them up. I think it just adds a little bit of to the design and kind of customize basically whatever you're doing. And it comes, so this is the 5 millimeter add-on, and it's a separate subscription, but you need to have the main subscription to order this. So if you have the main subscription, have not ordered it, you can reach out to me and I'll help you out with that. Unless your box is already shipped, in which case I can add it to your next month's box. But it's $6 and it ships for free. But again, you have to have a subscription to the main box, and you cannot add it by yourself. So you need to email me at simplygildedbox@gmail.com and I will help you. So again, we have these beautiful hearts, rose gold hearts in this mauvish color. And then we have this chocolate maroon with the little bows, and then vertical hearts on rose gold background, and stars on the mauvish color. I think this is a lighter color. There we go, them together. So this is beautiful. These are so useful. I just go through them, especially when you're doing washi dashboards. That is a lot. But let me show everything that was included again in the box. And aside from the surprise, the mystery item, which I never share, but these are all the goodies that are included And if you like to subscribe again, if you're not a subscriber and you would like to subscribe, make sure to check out the Instagram account for Irene, and she will post any notices regarding possible restocks. And if you have any questions, it's always best to reach out to me on Instagram at PlanningFancy, because I read all the messages there and I reply to everybody. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend and stay safe.